Free pancakes. I already ate one, so there's about like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pancakes. Get your free pancakes before it's all out. Come on, get them pancakes. Free pancakes. Excuse me, Muffet. Yes, Chara. How much are the pancakes? What did I say? They're free pancakes. They cost no money. I only have my YouTube channel. Okay? But what are they filled with? Chocolate chips? Chara? Oh, well. Ooh! First customer. Hello? Oh, hello, Poppy and Polly. What would you like? We would like 1 pancake each. So 2 pancakes. Yeah, 2 pancakes. Please. Okay, here you go. Thanks. Yum, yum, yum. Anyone else? Free pancakes, please. Free pancakes for sale. Who wants free pancakes? Hello? Who wants free pancakes? Who wants free pancakes with chocolate chips? Me. Okay, first, what would you like? I would like a pancake. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Anytime. Hello? Anyone else? Anyone else who wants a delicious pancake? I would like a pancake. Okay, but how many? I would like 3 pancakes. Wait, 3 pancakes? Can you finish that all? Yes, I can. Okay. Here you go, I guess. Thank you. Anyone else? Oh, Chara, hi. Wait, where are the other pancakes? Oh, the others already took them. What? Well, I'm gonna cook more pancakes. The last pancake, it's mine. This must be it for the human frisk. This must be the order of the human frisk. Hey, this is mine. No, it isn't. That's not yours. This is the frisk's. No, it's mine. No, it's not. It's frisk's. No, that's mine. That's mine. Yeah, Daddy. No. Chara, are you alive? Note, Papera is not canon. Papera is not canon, and I just made that ship all by myself just because of this. She's dead. She's dead. Frisk! 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 What? Chara's dead. What? What now? Chara! Good God! How did she die? We fought over the last pancake. But Papyrus, I already had a pancake. Wait, you did? Yeah, that was just a joke. Oh. I already ate mine. So, Papyrus, give it to her. Fine, it's right there on the table. I'm gonna grab this fork. Give it to her. Nom, 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 nom. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What did I just taste? You tasted pancake with chocolate chips. With this. Nom, nom. Papyrus, I think you did something wrong. What are you talking about? Oh. Ah, run! Ah, run for your lives! She's gonna become Super Saiyan! Super Saiyan? I mean, become a Titan! She's gonna summon Titans! Run! Catch your kids, hide your wife! Kara's gonna summon Titans! Catch your kids, hide your wife! Kara's gonna summon Titans tonight! Haha. Sarah, go, go, go!
Oh my god. Not that one. You guys are gonna cut that out, right?